Spectrum routers, like the SAC2V1A model, are designed to provide reliable internet access but have limitations when it comes to storing browsing history. Due to privacy laws and storage limitations, Spectrum routers do not store detailed browsing history, such as specific URLs visited. They only log basic network activity. To check any available logs, access your router's admin panel by typing its IP address into a web browser. This is usually 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. Log in using your admin credentials, which are often admin for username and password for password, or use the ones provided by Spectrum. Once logged in, navigate to the Advanced section, then look for Logs or Firewall Logs in the menu. The logs will show basic network activity, such as device connections and system events, but not specific websites visited. Keep in mind that true browsing history, like specific URLs, is not stored by default on Spectrum routers due to privacy and technical limitations. Spectrum offers parental control features through the My Spectrum app and router settings, often integrated with Circle parental controls. These tools help monitor and filter content without full browsing history. You can block specific websites to restrict access to certain content. Use the router's web interface or app to enter URLs for blocking. Filter content by categories, such as adult or violent material. Circle Parental Controls integrates with Spectrum for easy DNS-based filtering. Set time limits for internet access to control when devices can connect. This helps manage screen time for children. Create separate user profiles for different devices, applying unique restrictions to each one for personalized control. Use MAC address filtering to allow or block specific devices based on their unique hardware identifiers. Implement whitelisting to allow only approved sites, or blacklisting to block forbidden ones, for precise content management. The My Spectrum app provides basic device activity tracking and lets you pause internet access instantly for any connected device. Always change the default router password to prevent unauthorized changes to your parental control settings.